Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings. So let's tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it and let's take a look at the second option bar, which is connected to the timer. We've got actually 4 different options to choose from. Right now the timer is off because this clock icon is, let's say, highlighted and marked, but we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick for example 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to use, and as you can see right now it is highlighted, so we can go back to the camera and check. Let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see right now your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. For example, maybe 3 seconds delay. Again, just tap on it, it is highlighted, so we can go back, and the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. Let me turn off the timer. And as you can see from now on, this device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Xiaomi Redmi 9AT. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.